Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today it's going to be just a little tutorial of my office slash crafting space. So if you are interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Alright, so starting at the entryway, I do have this curtain up, and the curtain basically the curtain separates the two rooms. On the other side of this wall is my kitchen, and the curtain kind of helps keep some of the smell out of here when I am frying foods. Yeah, because greasy foods can be overpowering with the smell. But yeah, this curtain, and it gives me a little privacy too now. I don't want to be alone. Alright, so painting over here, I have my colorings. And I have this little rack that keeps some important papers, and I have my hand sanitizer. I do sanitize my hands every time I come in here. And I also have these mats that I do plan to customize. I got these from IKEA. I forgot the name of them, but they were cheap. Okay, so this sits on top of my Better Homes and Garden storage cubes. I don't know what I forgot the name. It's a little storage thingy. Alright, so in my first little cubicle, I do have a bunch of hand sanitizers, and I have some disinfectant spray. I bought these at the beginning of the pandemic because everything was so scary. So of course I just went and bought a bunch of hand sanitizers in bulk. And I have my little lint roller. And then the one beside it, I have my bubble mailers, bunch of bubble mailers for when I do eventually start mailing out orders. And then under that, I have a bunch of ORACAL 651 paper. These are 12 by 12 sheets. And I haven't found a good way to store them, so I just have them in here as of now. And in this one, I have scrap pieces of HTV, regular HTV and glitter HTV. I just have a whole lot of scrap pieces from over the months. Goodness, this bunch of scrap pieces. Yeah. Get back in there. Get back in there. And then under that, I have some parchment paper, some alcohol. This is just some Flex Seal back there, some paint brushes. I don't know if y'all can see, it's a little dark. I just threw a bunch of stuff in here. And then beside that, I have my scrap pieces of ORACAL 651. And then under that, I keep my cardstock. And then beside that, I keep my rugs that I use for backdrops. So I have a white one and I have a pink one. Alright, so panning over to this wall, I keep my backdrop that I got from Amazon and my mannequin body, which I use to display my shirts on. And this little thing is not usually in here. I just have some odds and ends in there, but I also keep my table. It's a table that I use to fold clothes. It's just a little cheap table over there. And my ring light's down there, and I actually need to set it up because I already know I'm not gonna like the lighting in this video. I should have set it up before I started recording, but I think it'll be all right. I have a calendar with important events on it, important days, payday of course, you know. And then over here on this wall, I just have a bunch of to-dos. And here is my computer. This is where I spend most of my time. This is a touchscreen computer actually. Touch, yeah, so that is my touchscreen computer that I do love. And this printer I've had probably since 2013. Like, I've had this printer forever. Like since I was in college, I've had this printer. And then my iron is down there. And then painting over is where I keep my CRICUTs. I have a scale and I have a label printer all ready for me to get this business off the road. I don't know why I'm so stagnant. I don't know why I'm procrastinating so bad, but I need to get it on the go. But yeah, fun fact, I bought this CRICUT off of eBay. It came with no cord. It is loud, but I use it way more than I use the one I actually, you know, spent the most amount of money on. I think I paid like 85 bucks for this thing, and I use it way more than the one I originally bought. So I really need, I'm either gonna sell this one and start using my first one, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I need to, because I don't use both of them. I'll figure something out. Then I have this self-healing mat that is burnt and lifting, so I have to replace this, but this is really good for measuring out things. And that is my tripod for when I record my TikTok videos. I have CRICUT mats hanging up. Focus. Yeah, so I have CRICUT mats hanging up over there. My rack for when I want to hang my shirts. And then, you know, of course I have Cardi Made It playing on the TV, as anyone should. Please like, share, and subscribe. And then I have this little organizer storage thing, just staples, markers, notebooks, just office supplies. Nothing important is on this shelf, on these shelves, like nothing. Maybe my business cards. I have my business cards, but this is junk that I very much need to go through. And then my Bath and Body Works candles are on that first shelf. But on this shelving, this little bookshelf, I do have my shirt storage. I bought these open front totes from Big Lots, and I folded a bunch of shirts, and this is just how I store it for now until I get a bigger building, a bigger space. Let's see, at the top I have my shirt folder up here as well. I'll show y'all how I fold my shirts in another video. But yeah, I think it's real convenient and I like the concept. So this is definitely going to be something that I take with me to my next building. My modem. And on this wall I have some sanitizing, disinfectant, cleaning supplies, like you gotta keep it on deck. Clorox, great value. It all does the same thing. So whenever they have it, and I do work at Walmart, so whenever I'm at work and I see that they have some, I grab a bottle. I only work every other weekend, so every other weekend I buy Clorox and you know, disinfectant stuff. Under that shelf I have my vinyl roll storage. This is also from IKEA. They were cheap too, probably like a couple bucks, no more than $6, definitely. So on this left side I have some ORACAL, and on this side I have some heat transfer vinyl, and then under that is my heat press. And I got this heat press off of Amazon. I've had it for 3 years now. It's been working great. And then I keep my parchment paper beside, and my glove. And then on this wall I have more vinyl storage. And then under the heat press is more storage, little odds and ends over there. And my vinyl, this little vinyl tablecloth is real cheap. I probably got it from like Fred's or something. Not Fred's, but probably got that from Big Lots too. Real cheap. And you know, it was just something to cover what's underneath here, which I'm not going to show y'all because it's probably a mess. It's not bad a mess, but it's not good a mess. And then of course my last thing to show y'all is my floor. The flooring is from Lowe's, and I actually use the flooring to take pictures. So this floor I feel is a good wood style backdrop for me, and I use it a lot. I will sanitize the floor before I put my shirts down, and this is a great backdrop. So if you can just buy some pieces of wood flooring and put them together, boom, backdrop for the low, because these weren't more than $3 a box. But yeah, so that is my office tour. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like for more videos, comment, and share.